ene we trade agenda 111 hospital a yewura kufu ado aban statistic ye we wa wie otu ani a light na sisi so light sisi so na de ya ne say eya na me pese me busa say me pese ore bra betie bi na question me bu sanse enti sanka wei esi yewura mahama krumbole bamboya enti gombiano enko biano sanka si bole bamboya anke ya biano asem wo ka obi se no anka abesi asante mountain esi asante region hwe ene nwura na efa nwura na efa no mochro
also baba ye we asase tenesi for years kuma omunye adwuma nyo
let me chip in. Yes, for nurses for my mum, yes, for doctors, and mum, but a daytime. Daytime, lighting analysis.
Lighting analysis.
Daytime. It will be any hanum say ya light no daytime.
Yeah, I said true. Mine is
which me do no. We say light we no. Bosom swan, one ye chemo mutu ya. Abusu bia swan aban. Dem ko increase light bill. O increase light bill. Ba oba hanum say ya. Light
dey twekwa.
Daytime.
Machines in here sisi mo.
Okwa aduma. Light ni.
Generator yard. Generator yard.
Light inside.
Am I ben? Na me uni. O say ba be hwa na the security. Tata. Ye do abo pamo yen. As if say enya Ghana for. As if say security ni na ono pamo na yere ne maame ne ba bi yare ayemfa ne ma. Eya mama yen nyina ya nwene asoman ne ehunu say baby oman ne kɔ no ye ntumi mfa politics nkatakata yeni enjai sa project we ma ne nka ha. Eno ne aka ho asem. Me say ka enti say project we enkesi yewura President Mahama with all due respect esini kurombole bamboya enti nke be jama naka ade.
Abusianfo mechiachia mu nyina ema mu nyina akwa aba soronko hedon ba ras media so ene anwumrei abusianfo se de mudika hu ye no enye video amabo enti aye ba ha ene awie we are here for different matters, but I just want you to focus on what is going on in the country and how these people that we gave our collective power to, how they are managing our affairs. ɛdinta me boss a video me nu wei ɛde kyerɛ wo sɛ de be ya wo nso no be hu de ɛkɔso ɛwɔ man nom abusua ye ne ayaresabea enough sɛ obi yare ɛwɔ ye man mu a ɔbɛkɔ no akɔsa na ho yade but ya ayaresabea yɛsi awie ɛyɛ complete bibia wom ya solite si so yepia ho bill but ye nye ready sɛ yɛbɛbie ama anipa da sani yare a otumi akɔ hɔ akɔsa na ho yade ne nyina ne sɛ ɛyɛ amanyɛ osɛm na do dankwa kufu ado ne sisi saa facilities no edigu oman nom enti jam ye na adwene se so no okɔ no okobie saa ne ma na no a na do ne MPP aban ebenya fans enti saa na tie de ne ye nyae ma ne nka wuram ye nyae ma kana ya bɔ no taxes na ya gide akosi saa ayaresabea no ye nyae ma ne nsɛ kwa ye nyae ma ne nsɛ wa wonim sɛ ɛdan so de unya sisi hɔ na wanyusu a what happened say a shas yes a torereti kakra na say when you be so na dine I say at a tiapaja. This is the same thing that is happening to the agenda 111 project. Nanado too good the whole country so the bay obibia ebenya baby pa akosa ne ho yade. Na yesi sabio se abusua panyini papa wu na abusua panyini bone ebedi abusua panyini papa no ne na ade a ya na ode eseye ne yenka ne se adwemone esey abusua na japade. This is what is happening today in our country because I cannot understand from my common sense say yes hospital awie niema nyina gum na yejai atum pono afa musafo ahye botom yayi ani ti se de yenhu ye na enipa da sani yare wo saa kuro no so a age se ye de ka afa no efiri ba bi owo e de ne ko ba bi foforo enye saa nipa ne nya yare sa obetumi awu nanso ye se wo okandifo o mampanyini ye sanso wo apomudren adwaba afo na efense minister of health e wo kronom omfa nipa da sani ho omomfo obia ho ene de omode aba ne se omoton oman no on camera ene de Euro Mahama se man 150 million and so obeti ase me ayaye I never know say governance sa yetumi di niema no in public like the way Euro Mahama eye ne na no mebo sa video na chiro de enti na me ba hapa ne se ken de Japan de nsem bi no be gu abonten I the challenge any warning to ono ankasa ni base supporters omunama jubilate about the arrest of Kennedy Japan of who of Chamai won to me na papa ne nsem na wo kan enipa binum se na ade eye krokro de John na adanko da address style na NP na papa yi anase o kan yi ebedi sa nkomo no na obia so atumi akire na dwen e wo comment section box so everyone so a ye kodoma ahene so ye papa dormahene enne wa ba bonte wa ba be kan sembi o se since a JM nsa e kan tumi akonwa wa ba be ye president no garamse ho nsem no e wo man num akofom ono na e kan me de minim ye bedi ho komo na de ya ne se ohini bi owo ne side kura yenye garamse wo so da Mahama breso e na garamse e koso dendende ye de sa video no ba be yi Ewura dormahene ano no ankasa atene ho ase asem foforo so e wo ho nyina ne se there is a journalist in Ghana yefe ne Samsim Lali ono so ababonten a o se dabi onten ma binu ase how Ewura John Mahama e de Ghana man den edi agro na sa video no na mebo amawatie bi sa ye wo journalist bi no mo ha it's not only about money but it's also about the reality who dey asema journalist we yeka ye free ho a na ya shift into Ewura dormahene ne nsensem num ye free ho a na ye kokene de Japan de no so ntinya to ba se tamoku enwane nkoba bia ye ne gradually step by step me de story na mu ederema on tentema obekọ agya me ha nti de enu nyina ye nkosi na ye nyina ye contribute to the show oba na wa like comment fa nsasi adoma no so say de bia me ba life a ubenya hint say maba na wa one of the first people omonsa ebeka video bia meye anase video bia me de betum unsubscribe so na wa subscribe. So as make you say follow me on Facebook Ras Media GH and on TikTok Ras Media GH. You're welcome. Yentiem Sanson Ladi na yensamra back into studios.
People you promoted who maligned everybody in this country. They respected no elder. They respected no chief. No corporate executive was spared except their NDC. You kept quiet. You said absolutely nothing. President Mahama, most of the insult, most of the misinformation and the maligning was done in your name. You know it. You didn't pause 1 minute to disavow it. You've nurtured a monster and now it is grown and people are latching onto that. They feel it is okay. Please don't underestimate what the ordinary person learns from the people at the top. They feel it is right. That's why they are doing it. Please learn the lessons. This is not how to grow our democracy. Free speech is a sacred constitutional right, but it carries responsibility. And those of you who are doing this, including journalists, you make it difficult for us, the advocates, against the repressive legislations that are being used. It is not a permit for lawlessness, nor is it a shield for foolishness. And that will be my take. We'll be right back with my guest.
Etimi abami bari ma o hweme. Mami esta me mo akwaba, sami jasi me mo akwaba ye. Mi kwasi asamoa me chia ye pa. Samuel Okuno bra panyi me chia Kofi Sapon from Ivory Coast. Me chia ye pa. Yes, abusia asama asami Samuel Ayeni e kan nyina ne se. Yewura John Mahama. Back in the days when you were in opposition, who promotu nipa bia ana nkrofo binoma omwamfa ebuo eni nidie ama panyini biara owo Ghana manmu. According to the journalist, and this ya manyokuo e promotu some nkrofo binomo ye manum on the media space. The omoye ankasa ene se disrespecting the elders in the society. Now, apart from say they were disrespecting the elders in the society, they were pampered and promoted and sponsored by the then opposition party called NDC. Ebine Captain Smart, Foolish Man. Ebine Kevin Taylor. And trofo pa nkontompo ni kakraka pa. Ebine Freeman, Jimmy pa. Ebine akwana na oti Germany yankopon age ne kra free nsem. All these guys, sankrofo way, they were all under the umbrella. Na si ebani that let into the party itself. Yo nkrofo bi omu yi omu anim si where na omu di dibre e wo Ghana man mu. Ana omu di ni patem. Sam George, the attempt, to the point to say he considered Nanado say Nanado cry akura oni nkrofu ne wofo ne kotena ye no ye trumu ni enti Nanado is used to trumu ye can Sam Nanado akum ne yere a lot of things. Sam George, Samija Fi, what is the name? What is the name? Bashintele akwana yase friend is a Gandhi or Swanyo, the national organizer of their party. Amudi din ni pattern, but nothing happened to them. And they are holding positions. Samuel Kuja Tabra Quanum. Samuel Kuja Tabra Quanum. Even Sam George was able to call another useless president, and nothing happens to them. And then under the watch of the sole beneficial of insult, Yewura Darega Dramani Mahama. Obin to me miena non kasao. Oti Ghana non oti o man no mu hopa na wo so be kasa wo asem ebonepo. In fact ene ahemfofo what them call the CSOs. The the organization of young kind saying pastors, asofofo, they have all become quiet. Obiaka na noatum adentia. You say when and why now can say or comfort anumu call. Adentia. Papa nas and a second pa wa obeka sabiano obete ote. Tiemi ye pa. Papa nas and a second ya wa obeka sabiano obete ote. But he was the one who introduced that thing. In fact, enti asama no journalist we can say said ye de ye nanado no. E was say you Mahama sonjin tum say kwan your fast so promote nkrofo na omo a disrespect elders in the society no. Among the youth in the country believe we say the more you disrespect someone, the better you put yourself in political career. So everybody is learning from what you promoted. Now, Papa Nika na menene ya pa. I'm only somebody I've always abstained myself from going harsh on the people because I believe say dialogue can bring more solutions than insult. But where what I think of, but other people don't see things in the same way. Pachote de mekano. But say yes so otiti okofa jataba edneba fie ebetete na onyina wo ye danyo umpeo wa na obechewawe. Pachote me yepa. Yes so okofa jataba edneba sifia onyini eduru baabia umpeo wa na obeden obechew awe. Enti said the Yura Mahama promo too. Yebeka ne saying insulting. Say the best way to be somebody recognized in the society no. And then the name so amount crofo ne obia fa the microphone, obia fa the camera, na say the abanyina and say ye ni atem, ye need crofo atem. So Mahama should not actually say nothing. Say enkrofo kana ho ensembone. Niema bi kura atetena bonten se chama wuntumi nchie no kura mpo no. Enye se chama wuntumi aye bone bi o. Enye se court no kodi chama wuntumi asem chie no because of bone bi aye ka ne media no so waye o. Ye se ya che no because Ewura Mahama se waye den wa offend no with some expressions bi a chama wuntumi edigu abonten. Abusia, this thing is something non-acceptable. Ewura Mahama otumi fra manfos otumi fra the whole tribe sakawafo achem sakawa na na ofra na adone achemfo sa papa na ene osi obi aka asem ache no mane eha no but ye nyabra ye ka sa ye didi agro cha wuntumi ya che no ne hwan ne hwan Ewura Mahama ya de bia up to now everyone is trying to understand what actually was going on. Ewura Mahama suggest a man 150 million. Now amanfo be say for what purpose? And how can a government negotiate on the road? Chese papa ni a businessman ankasa. And Goro guy, matured Goro person, Goro boy. Well, a mature Goro boy. Even at the presidency, the man keeps on talking about money. Listen to him here.
It's okay.
Bachoti.
It's okay.
Bachoti.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, Papa, I just say a man 150 million. And I Ghana for any business say, hey, we are president too. When you can't say Tokoton Nipo, you can't stay outside and talking about this money. Papa, what actually are you selling? Then I will turn for 150 million. And I'm for Ghana for any business say, ah. Na ye papa dia na oton o man na oton dia ma amanfo ana Omaneja padie bi no di mo bi ana. Chama won't to me no so man 150 million and so jana na. This is the question going on the street. And to suit me chirawadwen e wo down. But back to the situation. Said the Miriam Samija Sika, Mahama just bribed the NDC supporters to insult people just for free. NTN, Papa, so I could 150 million. A man for betting me trouble man a year because you deserve it. Yes, Ajimandua or scammers in government. So I could say we here 150 million. This time, no, you were right. Says you say, and you're not water or mine the amanchrophobia. Because we cannot understand where this 150 million issue comes from. Well, yemfa wensi when I ento aso na yenko yanim. Enti na wotia Mahama Tongana for 150 million. Sika no boni di maete. Yento aso na yenko yanim. Abusiamfo. Papa we na ne ho aba asem kakra.
If you ask me about my
nyanto base. Yenyina yenim papa ya oda hoy efene nana dormahene. Papa we obi ano ye very vocal during 2020 elections campaign and the 2024 elections campaign. Now papa we ni vocal na no ye no or extended no from the arena of politics into tribal. A creative situations be say asante 4 time abonon 4 and osani joining say asante 4 year MPP 4 into your bruni na wo support to asante a wo support to MPP a it said ye wo support to asante even though yen nim say asante ne bono there is no difference in that. Papa we ya sign kofa garam say the baye say nanado danko akufo ado ne asante ahemfo ene etu garam say omo na omo nye vigilant omo na omo ntumi enye omo adwuma ye nam so ma garam say fo agiga na man afa ensem we na yewura dormahene ekeka aye during the campaign time 2020 and 2024. Abusiamfo na yewura Mahama ba ye obi bia ade bia di adanse se garamse no afempo na ekoso kese garamse na ekoso ama even many district aba bontia beka se garamse na ekoso no it is internally promoted by the NDC leadership at the various local district assembly levels. MC for party chairman, party organizer, omo no mugura mo omo ne amanfo akambo mo omo tu garamse. Ehun semaba. Edim krobi kura ohini bi ba bonten be ball. MC owo district hodua se garamse a oye ne ohonti no. Mane mfa ne nan ensi na ni kuro mu biem. Ena me no kase yenyire nim se ensu ahodo atwa Ghana man ho nyina hyi nyina eda so ayetin ne bread but yewura dormahene said ye na nyina yenim se ni campaign na oye na oyo for a reason because he wanted the promotion in his career ye nyina nim so ye judge in fact nanado na yewura what is the name John Mahama ba ye so wani ni hwamo wabɔ modern apagani mu amana babeye I think say babeye high court judge just say okona nimu ye pa. What is going on? Video ya me baba chire we eye video bia yewura dormahene kan chire Ghana fo nyina say even though we have seen say gadam say gusu a ekoso a ese nsuo no yewura dormahene say o kama Ghana fo nyina to omo ho ase say since your JM ebeye president no gadam say so no ne to atwa akofom pa into gadam say wo ba bia o Ghana omo to gadam say nyina omo de omo asoso atofom enti video yi na yensan mena sesia
time. If you ask me about my assessment, I would say now it's going down. You know why I'm saying that? If you look at some of the steps that have been taken, before we're not hearing about the people in the blue, the water gas and all that. We're not hearing all that. You understand? People have invaded the forest reserve. We're not seeing that. Before this regime came, I know for a fact, because of the work that I do, 9 forest reserves have been taken over. Now that situation has been kept down. I wouldn't sit down here, I wouldn't stand here to say that Galamsey is gone. It's still with us. But I believe that if you look at now the seriousness, I want to encourage whoever is in.
Bajoti Papa Yepa. Papa ne kan sem na kan you see say there is no understanding in it. Or say Galamsey ne say ekofom. Or not to be a judge. Honestly being a judge, he can tell you point blank say this time, Galamsey echo form. Now, Papaya Semia or Kenya, I am a kakra. Because another day I may no say a bonomani mana ye Galamsey crowd ho. A bonomani, and ye Galamsey or ho. Jay and Bresu way and a man for crasha see to Galamsey, a bonomani. And ya Hong Central region. Ashanti region, any western region. Galamsey ni gusua ekoso den samana boy na no you could try video de buy. Ensuo no da so te said the answer aye was. But me nim the dormahene ni tima. All of a sudden, he has turned to be the defender of the indefendable. You would John Mahama or no ankasa. Abeta bontia can't check Ghana for you say onim so no ankasa ni party members are involved in Galamsey. And the asma maybe say you would dormahene. Na mpacho kroben so na wotie. Kroben so e na wotie. O man ben mu na wotie. Ah say Galamsey a ekoso o man mu seriousness. A obi e ka ho asem. Obi e ka say NDC for are taking in charge of Galamsey. They be under memo akwaba. Fa na wotie a ene watimi aba abonte be kan kire yen say yen kan ya comment ye yam na Galamsey article form papa why dang papa panyini onim defo panyin en kan say animonyam for te say why do you mix yourself with politics? We see an akofa ho aba no akofa ho aba na amanfo etwabɔ na amanfo etwabɔ na asɛm no ndi esere ebra dormahene nam fa all kan de all kan no bono hene bi nso aba bonten abeka asɛm bi afa Galamsey sem ho sɛ ontia se de ntia ndisi amanyoko betena konwa so a amanyoko no mpanfo mo wone ne manhia so omodi Galamsey no eji wo nkuro afa na ano ye wo ha samana boy ensuo toye nke twa fa amanfo so Galamsey gusu koso na ano ensuo tafo ne pra ne hwan ne hwan ne nyina aye how can a chief a queen was yam fro ken obi o se yam fro ken we den etima ba bonten be some such comment is so disgraceful in this manner. How nana the be na kire se Galamsey article form hefa indicators ben and a papa with any assessment kire se Galamsey ene article form. I don't know, but he is saying na me go video bi o ha ya bono hene bi nso kire na direct reply to dormahene mpacho tie
Mathieu. The Frau Umfa, Ampia Frau Umfa. Now, Baba 2 years is just at the corner. Baba back and pay Kroma Bimana. And this university crowd back and pay Bim. What about you, Kroma? Mubanya, my number said the bomb.
Sansu I can your friend Amoma Bran. A Tunis as in a Chewishia. A Cobota no Montotroso. A bear was swimming and son and then 9 money. ena nkofo bia be hye gyengyene ye ka gyengyene a nye brekum gyengyene gyengyene wa toni asase so isa gyengyene fo mfiri brekum na beje asase wa na toni hene wo di wa ufiri ba bia beje asase no ye de saa di na ye dai ato asase so na wote so nti so koma kumase fo afijase omunyina so wo aye from muso a group wo so ena ayimom brekum ayimom so wo nso nyina wo atoni asase so ba bia ufiri ba na obetran nti ye hwa amoma ya kede ni aye ye nkura se fo bedai bedom agom kokoso bedom adidi bedom kofu mo nya bia nom amampanyini mama so bra galamsey anse yete ye wachi obi atum ama ne mfi aduo no saa galamsey na bi na ekoso wo saa gyengyene wo adaloma ye mpese akina bibi besi sa atoniefo ye hwe wa kosi nyambo a adwoda wantua na mawa ye betunta sukoko a kire aban no bisa aban ma adwumayefo no ebi ewom regional minister aboni ya bono wa MP wa police panyini wa mani yemfa nkọbọ asew no ya pim su bia na sese no se ma anya de a efiri na nkosi juala de ekwan nyina be broko no na mbo kuye nyina wa ha ekwan ye koka nya ase be broko no ekosunya ye be broko no ana mun kra ma sojafo ne ma policefo ya ye ready ye be twem efiri na de kuro no mantu na mo amansuo we ni ante anka sem papa bia nkire ama yenkura sefo na nya ye hawa ye ha ye wura dewi se na police nda ko to sumienu ensaben ne kura sa galamsey num andisi fo ensaben ne kura galamsey num regional minister ensaben ne kura galamsey num police panyin ensaben ampi ensaben makwose sa tutrafo desem kura sefo ni bi entimi ntire kura ho wo kan se ebekum am ya trati ni pan bi am ya case police panyin an kan ho hwe be pem ne apem fo na wo ba akra na ba ku no ne nsa ba ku no enam galamsey chemicals ya gu nsuye mu nti madawma enne ko si dwada aban na nka bibi regional minister ntua na maw police panyin na ye ba ye na ka se bosum ni mu kuro mu no enne ye ka kire ne se panyin bia wagi sa galamsey sika mu bia no obefe adwuma taade na hye no ne yire ntimi nwuro ne man ntimi nwuro afisa o se nko bodua so wagi sika no bia bebo ne dua police panyin o kan sa kire yen wo champaboa wo de be hye wo hye na dakam maw wona abom kurasefo wona abokuro hu ban wadawma galamsey na kwaso no amfi na nkosi kina no wawuo mpia ho piram pia ho afidie ni nsai wo bia wagi sika bia wogu anim ase obatan wogu anim ase no sina no wali na busua ofisa sika no bakọ no busua no bia di wadawma police panyina jisika no bia fira no regional minister jisika bia fira no bia na jisika bia fira no national gita jibia jena fira no ampi no jibia fira no yenso betima ye amaye kedoma ya uma wadawma dia wajisika bia wa galamsey we akwaso wa gyengyene no kire utumi ma wo se wo ya amoma brampa
entity o ti asem we yie pa abere yewura dormahene etiba bi yese da bi yewura JM ne breso galamsey nkoso bibia ye kama amanfo agya galamsey ye nsuo nom aye nsuo akono anipa tumi nom no ono ankasa ni region ho hene baako kura na ye nye galamsey wo so ene galamsey fo agye hwafa se omokoye police case de ma police fo nhwe omonim regional commander nhwe omonim police commander regional minister nhwe omonim ampioti ho omfa omo ho they are suffering no they are actually suffering in the area because inkurase no ensuo ni ho ye ni boho ho ye ni mainstream water ukwa wakwa bie pipe na waso nsuo anomo se ukọ nkura na se a eye nsutini we no ma ena awofo ne abusuamfo sadisi wonoma wasabi di no aduane di ensuo we ya na ye the only sources of water for them enti sesabio mabedi akonwa na mo se mo nko e de tia galamsey na senka modwuma na amoye ne ye effective I believe said praises ya yenye saade we bi wo hoda no Any kwansen ka honom be a new site of distance. But what are we seeing? The ye hunene say ne baby mpo ana ye nye galamsey wo hoda no. Eho nyina san gradually turning into galamsey site. Me ma me ya afre mpo ba me wakwaba. Me yaba akua afro me wakwaba ye pa. Bacho tie mi pa o. Site ya kuro nkurasi ahodo a na ye nye galamsey wo ho ana se galamsey kura nye bibibia na ekoso wo ho no. Ene John Mahama na ban ebreso. Eho sa kuro ahodo a mebobɔ di nyina no attend to be a galamsey pit. But ye wo ohini moa a osi yen frɛ no what man hene osi yen kase oyɛ bonofo nyina ye hene. Etum be gyina bonten ka kyerɛ Ghana for say according to him galamsey no akofom. But meanwhile doma ene ne mpempen so ene ne breso doma across ye tu galamsey wo ho denden pa. Ye tu galamsey wo ho denden pa. Adentia ni nyina ne se ade ana dormahene hwehwe say be promote no e wo na dwuma mu na wanya higher position in the judicial service intino ye wura dormahene akata nani entro enkontompo ene de enye no kore na oka because all ka say galamsey no ano abrase no wa my indicator bi say indicator way na mede ye ma assessment o kan ne kwa bacho tie mi ye pa o she na kan ne kwa wamfa base bi wamfa ade bi anto ho say bi based on this assessment who has fought galamsey than Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo we can say Mahama is fighting galamsey in which manner by going after Chamawun to me say Oku galamsey. Do you know how much money Yeura Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo spend in fighting against galamsey? Ajuma Yeura John Mahama na uti opposition and now we against the fight of galamsey and say Abra Nana Addo nam pete so Nana Addo enam radio so Nana Addo nam TV so na all signal warnings to the citizens no say omunya galamsey you know. Na John Mahama and the NDC on the other hand were going on pitches omo ko galamsey areas at the galamsey koye campaign say monto abama JM na say JM ba galamsey na mo beye e na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo aban and empese mo beye galamsey nti women boa asem women boa there be I know say it is a fact enti ene se Mahama wo power enkrofo na promise omo no afi na omo didi o afi na omo didi so I don't know why you da dormahene and papa panyini I don't know why you are involving yourself in this. I don't know why you are trying to lie. You are trying to deceive me. As soon as you join NDC, automatically you become a liar. Now, one year from that liar, you can also become a thief. As soon as you join NDC, very, very, very easy. So I don't know if this is what is happening because asem na papa ne kano maintenance here because punumani muhane ye wo na papa ohene foforo bi so ubodua say amanfo ye galamsey but you dormahene tumi akanani aguso say asem a papa yi a all kan asem ye ohene we yi kan ono de onte ye according to him no so father say an salary ya paje mane kosoro na or receive more salary than before no everything is going on well. Oh papa, how can you reduce yourself into this? Ebi afi na waba wan ti asema dormahene kan ya odi ti asema dormahene kan. This is what dormahene said. Pachoti.
Ask me about my assessment. I would say now it's going down. You know why I'm saying that? If you look at some of the steps that have been taken, before we're not hearing about the people in the blue, the water gas and all that. We're not hearing all that. You understand? People have invaded the forest reserve. We're not seeing that. Before this regime came, I know for a fact, because of the work that I do, 9 forest reserves have been taken over. Now that situation has been kept down. I wouldn't sit down here, I wouldn't stand here to say that galamsey is gone. It's still with us. But I believe that if you look at now the seriousness, I want to encourage whoever is in.
Papa, untumi nkasa ashim nka manfo bechewa bro wa bonten. Anka Ghana for bechewa bro. Me say you wanted to say Garam say kuraso atwa. But only say say if you do that you are putting yourself at a risk. Because I can say and this year breast sooner the fight against Garam say Yashemu kena you put your trust on the line. Because yeah, can you share that Garam say pass and put in na kasa ne twakunya eto on the liar. There is nobody than another than Kufuado. So how can you come and tell me say JDM and Garam say this is a purely lie, and this is a pure can say hypocrisy. Yes, when you be a mawasha a monocrono, say won't to me in Casa and cano crenum fanch Jonah. Me a man kasa, Jaiman and carry it will be better. More than say, Wababe can same way. Me de mean to me in cancer ma. Me de mean to me in cancer bar. Ebe me mene manoso. But a man for home be trouble. A man for be trouble, pass. I say we are working. A man for be trouble. A number, a man for be trouble. Because you are showing a pure hypocritical manner of being a leader in a country, because you are a leader in Bono, as you said. You call Bono House of Chiefs, you carry a very big position. And the panini there, to me, you are born train can simply so yes, Anna, you are putting yourself in a very critical position because, or anyway, airboard the airboard, also can say that I'm saying call so, Papa. Dear papa boy when you one we na be tia baba count because be an uncle for mu ye Garam say ya me na me kan man kese ye de ma wo me say bia now you are receiving something from the Garam sayers in your area and you have covered your eyes to say the onye den uhu hwe enti papa when ye pa na nsam na wo ka no one we na dua boy aye boboyi na bia ye den ababete agu so ye de hye oti akonwa so ebe bodua na echewa eno so baba ya asem bia ebe kan wo man no mu anti papa mesre wa kan botu yam because ohini we nani abrepa
na matie ya fra umfa ampi ya fra umfa na baba be kan 2 years is just at the corner baba be kan pe okroma biema na ani sini be si kro be kan pe biem wo ba tie okrom ha mo ba nya ma na ba sene de bom ho ba
sansuo aye kan ya fra na amoma bran atuni nsase nya twa ho ahia ekobota no mo ntotoro so abe boso miensa ene ne nan mu nie ene nkofo bia be hye gyengyene ye ka gyengyene a nya brekum gyengyene wa atuni asase so isa gyengyene fo mfiri brekum na beja asase wa na atuni hene wo di wa ufiri ba bia beja asase no ye de sa di na ye dai ato asase so na wote so nti so koma kumase fo afijase omunyina so wo aye from muso a group wo muso na ayimom brekum ayimom so wo ho enso nyina wo atoni asase so ba bia ufiri ba na obetran ti echi ye hwa amoma ya kede ni aye ye nkura se fo bedai bedo magom kokoso bedo madidi bedo mkofo mo nya bia nom omampanyini mama so bra galamsey anse ye tie wachi obi atum ama ne mfi aduo no saa galamsey na bi na ekoso wo saa gyengyene wo Adaroma yempese akina bibi besisa atoniefo ye hwe wa kosi nyambo a adwoda wantu anamawa ye betu ntasikoko a kire aban no isa aban adwumayefo no ebi ewom regional minister aboni ya bono wa MP wa police panyini wa wani yemfa nkobo asew no ya pim su bia na sese no se mo anya de a efiri na nkosi dwara de ekwan nyina be broko no na mbo kuye nyina wa ha ekwan ye kwakanya ase be broko no ekosunwan ye be broko no ana monkra ma sojafo ne ma polisifo ya ye ready ye be twemo efiri na de kuro no mantu na mo amansuo we ni ante anka sem papa bi ankire ama ye nkura asefo na anya ye hawa ye ha ye wura dewi se na polisi nda ko tosu mienu ensa ben ne kura sa galamse nim andi si fo ensa ben ne kura galamse num regional minister ensa ben ne kura galamse num police panyin saban ampi saban makwase sa tutrafo desem krasefo ni bi entimi ntire kura ho wo kan se ebekum am ya trete ni pan bi am ya case police panyin an kan ho hwe be pem ne apem fo na wo ba wa kwana na ba ku no ne so ba ku no enam galamse chemicals agu nsuye mu nti madawma enne ko si dwada aban na nka bibi regional minister ntua na maw police panyin na ya ba ya na ka se bosum ni mu kuro mu no na ya ka kire ne se panyin bi a wagye sa galamse sika mu bia no obefe adwuma taade na hye no na yiri ntimi nwuro ne man ntimi nwuro afi so se nkobodua so wagye sika no bia bebɔ ne dua police panyin o kan sa kire yen wo shampaboa wo de be hye wo hye na dakam mawo wo na abo am klasefo wo na abo kuro hu ban wadawma galamse na kwaso no afi na nkosi kina no wo wuo mpia ho piram pia ho afidie ni nsɛn wo bia wagye sika bia wo gu anim ase oba tan wo gu anim ase no sina no wali na busua ofie sika no bakɔ no busua no bia di wadawma police panyin agye sika no bia sina no regional minister agye sika no bia fra no bia na agye sika no bia fra no national secretary agye bia gena fra no ampi no agye bia fra no yɛnso betima yɛ amaye kedoma ya uma wadawma dia wagye sika bia wo galamse we akɔso wo gyengyere no kire utumi ma wo sɛ wo ya nwoma bena mpa
yes papa na ni ambere pa ohene na ni ambere utumi sɛ papa we de ɔka no korɛ yɛntumi nkɔgyina ba bi nyɛ ho te sɛ de yɛnya position bi ɛwɔ court ntino yɛbɛdi ntro akyerɛ Ghana fo sɛ galamse ɛnkɔso papa na ka no korɛ na de akyerɛ Ghana man sɛ galamse ɛkɔso enti dɔm ma hene hwɛ ho yie pa ne nsɛm wo ya wo kan wa ho yie a na duabɔ na yɛ bɔ no bia be house because wo area ho na de we yɛ kɔso sɛ sika ne bia fa wo nsɛm a papa we de bɔmɔdena na hwɛ ho yie pa because dua na ɔmo bɔ no ano ɛdene pa yɛ de nsuo na ɛbɔdua Ghana so yɛ de nsuo bɔdua yɛmfa ni agorokora said the tibia it is going to happen. Yes, now we are back into the game. Afei and ebeko the main topic of the day. So now answer ebeko no, this is just for the mimics. Young commerce here. Yes, Abusian, for your welcome back. Enkrofo we hu esro. Enkrofo na mo so mba be free education ye no. Enyo ma na omo tunu opposition no, but Ghanaians believe say omo mom na betumi amba be free education ye. That is another topic here. Next time. And you be di hon komo. Now let's focus on our topic of the day. Abusian, ye nyina nim say before 20 yen can say 2023 na yen nim say chama wuntumi ene Kennedy ohene Japan omo ye close friends pa yen na ye wo video bi kura o ha chama wuntumi call net 2 or Oman FM ano ne Kennedy Japan te ho a omudi nkoma a Kennedy Japan si wuntumi so de one criminals nkwa na nam because of discussions bi ana omo ye e wo radio no so. Now ya who say before that, the contact between these two men was very solid. Party members, the same party members, business tycoons, and they were doing their things together. But since Yewura, Sabio, Kennedy or Henny at Japan, Nadine said, opposite Ome contesting the flag bearership program, the flag bearership position in the MPP. A one or Chama wound to me or Montam, say, yeah. Ninyani said, Chama wound to me was not in support of Kennedy Japan. Sadie way she Kennedy pa said, no, we are Madame Fo. Mene na nantia. Nema nyina, mene wane ye. But nema basa me bepe panyini adi wo party ma. Wose won tiase. Enam wesuma Kennedy Japan ni nimia Raphael a Japan. Omubu fu ye pa with Yankan say
one more actually want to me
lawyer Kennedy Japan ni chama want to me. All of a sudden they became enemies. Emma Sabio, we have some videos whereby Kennedy Japan was actually threatening Chama Woon to me, or threatening seriously, not threatening seriously. And I'm waiting for Chama Woon to me by Bonting a press conference. I can say, or no, they threatening Kennedy Japan, they threatening Osro, because in the past, Kennedy can journalists be one same on the TV so. And Chena nipa ne ka ba bi enti ono de osuro nti Kennedy hwe ne ho yie anye saa obe report no ama police sansensem we generate a lot of yen kan say hatred be among these two people na bia no everywhere that they got themselves they were always pushing one another yen kan say Chama wontumi at a point or calm more down because he did not wanted to what cause much more harm but Kennedy kept on. Maybe can say if he loses, he will let Ghanaians see if Chama Woon to me is capable of what? Of ruling Asante for Yewura, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. In fact, Yakotuaba na Mamfa Kotoba Amfama Yewura, Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia. And you in Kwa, and what back and forward between Chama Woon to me and Kennedy Japan has been consistent. Atemu DNA nkasa twie ne nsensem enam so ma Kennedy Japan supporters nso no ewo heavy hate pa edema Chairman Bosuakon na enu di mu ma Chama wontumi enya threat ahodo bebre Alex Tetteh e kan so be report Chama wontumi edena ma Yoko anase BNI Kennedy Japan in another hand said yeah he will also make sure say some of these guys like Chama Woon to me and other people will get arrested. And Chebiana JM Ebedi Akonya after 1 year say we are going after Chama Woon to me and some others. Emma, many of the MPP supporters believe say Kennedy Japan know about this because it is not clear say Kennedy Moma Yaman a lot of contract during the MPP era. Young friend of Babia so many in Sembiano, na encrophobino mumna, I say, we are always going after them. Abra yenim say, Kennedy Japan so encrophowe, ewa sem a treho. Abusia, and I'm so many coche, Chama Woon to me first time. A man about Bontin say, Kennedy Japan went there one day, Chama Woon to me was arrested. Even, as Samba Beta Bontin said, Chama ye chain or no. And the man Ebisa say on famra as a bail condition. According to sources, Kennedy Japan is the first person who call say uncle or quakoye the eco submitted a niema and a bra champon buyer and odi a japadie a buyer na ye jai Chama Woon to me on bail condition. And no mukurampono. Some MPP members can say Sam Koyena Yewura Kennedy Japan call hono. Na enye for Chama Woon to me purpose, but actually it was more of say na ya friend say omra na Yoko for friend for his personal investigations. Here they ati achire die na yenim. Na no yeto wan ye ba be chi Chama Woon to me na de kotum. Say a man 20 years imprisonment for galamsey activities. Me aba ma. Asem we beto abonten. Normally, nka o MPP ni a I was saying I won't worry about this because Chama want to me hold a very big position in the party. Without him, no, it will be a very difficult thing for the MPP to survive in 2028 because of how he has groomed himself with the grassroots in the MPP. But you will say, Canada Japan supporters in all the various platforms, they were jubilating. Ebinum no mu dia temper. Ebinum dia tem, baby, no so more bonbon. Judgment no could about bontino montiase, so they don't know say in the judgment, no. But be anywhere ya could say, Chama won't to me garam say, the ya can say, Asa sister no be a quack ye garam say. But still, people were jubilating. Canada Japan supporters were jubilating. I'll expect about Bontembe can say, I'm fine to me Kuran Tuma, or no Bessian Qua Bontempo review another cases be on Chama to me. Abuja, jubilating a dear Kosopa, all the various Canada Japan pro platforms. Everyone is happy because Chama to me at down. Now, as same way, air Kosuna, a month for jubilating. Some of us here about Bontin say, maybe Canada Japan is behind them, or they are doing it by themselves. Because now one say MPP ni who actually na MPP for a jubilate. And I'm so many about Bontin video be so could have a Bontin say Canada Japan any afanya markings F00lish na JDM say almost na onfa Chama won to me ne bonne and channel. Emma ye Mahama can say that be on tiase because and Sembia Chama won to me kafa ne home. Ashene pa. Actually, you know, you see Mahama Sansende video bia Asante regional wine be chairman be and I don't know who he is. A jubility a demanded the arrest and I said ne ho ye ne dese ya chichama won to me. Emma Mahama this video no command you Canada Japan afanya marking say Mosi minya papa yi, but look at say monkrofo na ankasa omo esre omo aniaje omo jubility say achicha ma wontumi and see you Mahama de smile emotion eto video na say that is how things end yeah anti hwibiem afa na no ye wo hwa na video bi apopo abonte video no popo abonte na asema ye wura Canada Japan kan ye dubious still
ya ekira awomo atire wontumi lawyer Jabiakobi ekira omo atire wontumi enye ono nko akwa ene MPP atitafo bi akamia say aban baye water ta wode ni esi wo muso ede na wo kama
yo minimum ni ameka is a minim yintia India NDC etata minimum abi America my disappointed here MPP for ni ankasa. And then I read 2 videos. Alex Tetteh and the former chairman. You know, say assemble sana party the entire one. Na fei na your personal problems are your work. And they better bonting a divided party na am why. Because saying this be winning a unity. Okay, your parliament. Maybe honorable to force in no court. NDC for no bobo red. Now my boycott to parliament. Homo court to we and son I don't know what has become of us. So we MPP ni power be a obi pentino obi ehuba sema ni jubilate. Emwe sema corner anas see a money 18 million next to empire no kura na MPP for mom money thumbs up. Meanwhile I defended MPP. Odiaze ene wuntini asema ba o hwe party for Alex Tetteh mebu afunu ankasa ko odi machi a obi afi se nya oye no meka ho enye enyoma bia ebeboa party mumma ekuru yembra party solidarity enyina so aye boni so can you believe say obi bisam say adentina memeye anti-corruption crusader na honorable Amiya Konfi me debe die a command Bay and say we're guilty. What do you say? Until so very guilty, we're entitled to bail because of any council. And the master they were MPP for internal politics, no, ye take party, and when you are the veteran opposition. See, and changes as one way, na yama kuru yama yensia senia na NDC for ye e dey na chese ato forcing odi bem ana odi fo but so odi bim o so odi fo they rally behind him what you say the mesre me anu party omi anyeko okay yo
yes in some way na your papa Kennedy or hene a Japan at the betudra. Now, and some way na man for business na papa no or ye adanko eda diana. Because a man for say, how come? How can Kennedy Japan speak like this? I the way we don't understand. Washedana. Asem no ayen sembepre. Actually, it has tend to be a lot of things because nobody actually understand. So, some ya papa can or can with honesty and I say a year adanko dada day. So, why do you comment section? Because me it goes beyond my common sense. Because all the various platforms or muye pro Kennedy Japan based supporters, they have been jubilating. They have been jubilating and they are calling for Kennedy Japan to come and lead the base so that he can become the president of the Republic in 2029. But all of a sudden, you could hear video where some Kennedy can ya na eya baba yese papa you see my lining us. What is actually happening? Washeda na eya tatis biana. The entire supporters, one kasa with TV stations, one kasa with radio stations, one kasa with media houses, jubilate about this on radio and TV. Now, want to mean shut or more down. Now, mum, ultimate camera, any a microphone, I can check Ghana for say. You are not happy with Alestete and Enkrofo Mudi Wachia or more ye Yanchinunko. Asema maybe Sapa Pain say. Asema Pesi Sapa Pain say. Enti Sasam no can say Anas Kosama noa na amanfo ani ageno. Opese on kire say the Enkrofo no ye no. Almost the equalization because the way the man talk now, I think say something the way they correct. Bila say something where they happen where we know they understand. Bila say something they hide himself in his own expression self. Bila say he won't say something where you don't want to say him. Tell me pa. Me say Bila say he won't say something. Way you never want to say because the way in the talk, way they come bring in matter inside. Broken a lot of work I can say. Kwaya papa ne kasa wasan so di ono an kasa ne ho asem aba e di ye comparison no. Something about first my mind to say why is this man doing this? Bajote mi yepo. Oh, Frank, Afo, second, forgive me for insulting you. When I heard arrested jubilating about the chairman won't to me arrest. Now, I say some we ask you. I said we have Baba say be ordering who I want to ask here. So you know won't ask here. The entire who I want to ask here is a quack say a trainer near corner. They are not in the same position because here you know second in Japan. Alestete ne boss. Now Alestete ba bontin ebe kan sembia automatically we will all leave sebio asembia Canada Japan and as Alestete cano a message Canada Japan person will send it through them. But as some sort of papa can say that he's actually angry with Aristete. Me Aristete video, and I don't want to play it because it makes no sense. And for me there, I'm doubting. Me doubt kakra. Doubting a woman and say, I want to understand where this man stands. I actually want to know where Kenneth Japan stands. Say fire now or fire back to his supporters, no. Authentic and I say Adanko Dada Dre. Bachewo. I didn't buffers me. Man didn't want me to meaning because say we jama radio stations, social media platforms or more associated themselves with you. Eye nneema bi na wo so ba public be ka say woni omo nya adwene na wo gya wo omo to aso ye de omo yo a papa, some of us will actually question the authenticity of what you are saying. Abusian for me do besia ene ma me esa mintumi mfa call we be an person conference ne bia mesrem amon fa nche mintumi mfa call have somewhere to go etimi do besia na yankopon ya adoma ochina etumi asambe to aso. But in any case, sa asem we ya asem bi ochina mesen afa ho na yedi nkomo na amanfo no tumi afre ache won adwene on this matter because something is not right somewhere. Something is hiding somewhere which I don't understand. I want to understand and where. That's why they say. But that's why I'm making. I think say you understand me. There is something going on nowhere somewhere. Because the two position of this man and his people, no, it makes me actually wonder, and I worried about this. Medimusi anama cheche munyina. Minya John Gerard Kennedy Michel yepa Franco fi Michel me mama Esther Keba di mama Michel Ajimandua Michel yepa Ajimandua Michel me ya afre mpoma Michel me nwa ba na na akua afro Michel Dabie Ando Michel yepa me nwa Sami Jesse from Hamburg Michel and me nwa Panye Kwasi Asamoah Michel pa Ajiman say great job and I wanna go Facebook Ajay Paul Michel Kwakwa J Michel Talata Siedu, Michel Yepa Mame, Apia Michael Michel, and a million Penny Asamoah. Michache Munina, Eda Munina Ase, and a mobre. Yeah, gradually, you know, we are positioning ourselves in a better position so that we can come live all the time and make sure, say, we can always be available to bring you the latest update and everything concerning Ghana, social issues, and politics. Media Ras Media, Ras Media GH also. We are live on YouTube, on Facebook, and follow us also on TikTok. Medusia, listen to this video, and after all these videos, if you don't hear me again, it means my time is up. Until we meet again, adios.
People you promoted who aligned everybody in this country. They respected no elder. They respected no chief. No corporate executive was spared. Except their NDC. You kept quiet. You said absolutely nothing. President Mahama, most of the insult, most of the misinformation and the maligning was done in your name. You know it. You didn't pause 1 minute to disavow it. You've nurtured a monster and now it is grown. And people are latching onto that. They feel it is okay. Please, don't underestimate what the ordinary person learns from the people at the top. They feel it is right. That's why they are doing it. Please learn the lessons. This is not how to grow our democracy. Free speech is a sacred constitutional right, but it carries responsibility. And those of you who are doing this, including journalists, you make it difficult for us, the advocates, against the repressive legislations that are being used. It is not a permit for lawlessness, nor is it a shield for foolishness. And that will be my take. We'll be right back with my guest.
extra one more actually want to me lawyer Yakubi. Extra one actually want to me and you know any MPP at the top will be a camera say a buying buyer. What out I would do any S1 Sweden or come out.
Yo, minimum the America. He said, minimum India, NDC, the data, minimum. And the America, my disappointed here, MPP for Niani Ankasa. And then I read 2 videos, Alex and the former chairman. You know, sir, Assembly Sana party, the engineer one. Na your personal problems are your work. A day better bunting, a divided party. I am why because send this be winning a unity. Okay, your parliament. Maybe honorable to force in no court. NDC for no red. Now my boycott to parliament. Home court we and sound map. I don't know what has become of us. So we MPP need power be a obi pentino obi ehu basema na jubilate emwe sema corner anas see a man 18 million next so empire no kura na MPP for mom money thumbs up. Meanwhile I defended MPP o dia say ene wuntuni asema ba o hwe party for Alex Tetteh mebu afunu ankasa ko odi machi obi afi say nia o ye no meka ho enye enyoma bia ebeboa party mumma ekuru yembra party solidarity enyina so aye boni so can you believe sir obi bisam say adentina memeye anti-corruption crusader na honorable Amiya Konfi me debe dan akoma be entre say we guilty o dia say until so be guilty no we entitled to bail be kofi ni akasem. The mesra mu the way ya MPP for no internal politics no ye take party no to ya when ya better opposition say and change says man we na ya makuru ya ma ya nsua senia na NDC for ye e dia na chese auto forcing odi bem ana odi fo but so odi bim so odi fo they rally behind him what you say the mesra me no party o me anyako okay yo